whenever the American Chemical Society would
Hmm.
have a meeting at a brewery, I made sure I was there to see, to learn, and then just simply started utilizing that. Ultimately, went into pharmaceutical business, which chemistry. But a
Right.
lot of pharmaceuticals today are manufactured much the same as beer using
Really?
fermentation science. So they will some of your very popular drug products these days that may alleviate pain or eczema without naming the names.
Right.
They are they're grown. They're grown in a little test tube, if you will, in a laboratory. Then they take them to a pharmaceutical facility, a plant, and they basically do fermentation where they grow them,
Right.
and then they do some other magic, if you will, some chemistry magic, and ultimately we have a drug product. And but it is fermentation science that is part of that equation. Making beer, it's the same idea. In fact, that's well, I'm not even really, honestly, I'm not a brewer. We're simply makers of sugary sweet water. We call wort, and then we put yeast into that wort at the right temperature, and the yeast actually go in and do the work. They actually make
Right.
the beer.
That's the
Yeah.
microbes that start to happen, and the fermentation process starts to happen.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
that's that's a Louis Pasteur, man. I mean,
There, you've got it.
so
Absolutely. Yeah. And
so
that's
from
the
this,
fun part. Yeah. But we put the right. What I say, we have a little bit more than that. We put the right players in the field. But the grains you have in Jolene right there, that strawberry puree that I utilize in there,
right?
the hops and so forth, and the particular strain of yeast that I use, we put the players on the field, and then they go play the game.